Hi, welcome back to Printer Tales. So, do you want your Epson ET-4850's Wi-Fi setup? You're in the right place. For one-on-one assistance with wireless setup, please call us at the numbers displayed. To perform the wireless setup, you need to have your Wi-Fi turned on and Epson iPrint app on your device. So, without any further ado, let's get started with Epson ET-4850 wireless setup. On your printer, scroll and open Settings. Now tap on General Settings. Under General Settings, open Network Settings. After that, enter the Wi-Fi setup setting. In the connection method, select the Wi-Fi option. If the Wi-Fi status appears, tap on Change Settings. For any problems related to Epson ET-4850, tell us in comments section. In the Connect via Wireless Router window, select the Wi-Fi setup wizard. Wait for your printer to find available wireless routers. Once the list of network appears, select your wireless router. Now, enter your password and tap on Start Setup. Once everything is done, return to home screen. If you find the instructions easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. Grab your phone, then download and install the Epson iPrint app. Now, open the Epson iPrint app and read the terms of use and tap on Agree. On the app's home screen, tap on Printer is not selected. You'll be sent to Select Printer page. Here, select your ET-4850 printer. Once you come to Maintenance page, check the settings. At last, you need to go back and check whether ET-4850 appears at the top of the home screen.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.